The word of encouragement for today is, Lord, all that I have, all that I do is yours. Keep me in your care, guard me in my actions, in Jesus' name. What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another wig review. Yes! So this one is made in Japan, synthetic fibers. It is a full unit. Look at it, coming with wig caps and jewels for your hair and lashes, sis. Yes! So here's the unit. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the way they made it. Like, I was surprised because when you look at the picture on the of the image on Amazon, it looks different. You would think that it was all individual, but it's actually not. It's like just the front area, which I absolutely love. Like, look at the parting space. And girl, do you see the lace? The lace is super soft. It's not that scratchy, hard lace. And you've got two combs that go right in the front. And then of course you got your comb that goes right in the back of the head. So I'm gonna get into this back of the head comb. And yes, wait, before I do it, got an adjustable headband. I forgot about that. So I'm gonna get into the part where I'm telling you about the back of the comb that goes in the back, because your girl forgot to put it in, which is why I was looking big head friendly. But right here, we just gonna throw on that wig cap, and I'm gonna let you watch the rest of this. I think everything is self-explanatory, and I will chime in when I need to. Y'all, when you put this wig on, watch. You see, I put the band on. Homegirl forgot to pull the wig down and put the comb in, which is why it was standing on top of my head, okay? Like I was supposed to. You could probably do a lot more, but it looks so realistic. The hairline and the baby hairs was a plus. Girl, I said yes, let me do the damn thing with these baby hairs. And I like them on the longer side, but you can cut them to your liking. And right here I'm just showing you another style that you could do. Really nice, quick, easy, simple. Just plop this thing on and you are good to go. All right now, bye.